Good morning, this is Ricky, Bournemouth Jet Washing. Concrete cleaning today. I've done this job about 3 years ago and the drain here always blocks up. So I've bought my mudsucker to sort that problem out. Oh dear, look at the state of that. We shall be cleaning this with hot water, a mix of EBC and hypo. So only a small job today. I'll be finished early today as it's my birthday. Right, let's get to it. Okay, so now we've got to get rid of all this excess water. You're probably thinking, how's he going to do that? Well, I'll show you. Oh God, now he fell over then. Right, we've got this mud sucker. We're going to stick it in there and then we're going to put it in a bin, and that's how we're going to get rid of it. I'm not sure how many litres a minute it sucks up, but it won't take long.
Please subscribe and click on the bell.
Okay, that's us all done. This will dry out lovely. Let's go and have a look around the back. Patio is drying out lovely. All the colours are coming back. Okay, thanks for watching, and I shall see you on the next job. Cheers.